Well, Trimble is one of the biggest software players you may not have heard of. A $17 billion stock in the S&P 500 that's up 25% in the past year. Now, it got its start nearly 5 decades ago with a nascent technology that would become GPS. Trimble has been evolving ever since. It's on the forefront of precision agriculture, then the industrial Internet of Things, with 150 acquisitions along the way. Stock's up more than 23% just in the past month as well. Now, I sat down with CEO Rob Painter at the Space Capital Summit just earlier this week.
I think of Trimble as the application layer in the space economy. We're not the infrastructure company sending the signals from space. We're turning those signals into actionable intelligence here in the real world, in the physical world, in industries such as construction and transportation and agriculture.
Construction is the fastest growing market, but Painter sees secular adoption across markets as digitization and now increasingly AI are must-haves.
So through the use of AI indexed against the base we have of customers and users at Trimble today, we manage over $1 trillion of construction through our systems. We have tens of billions of freight that move through Trimble today. We have millions of users, customers of our software, and hundreds of thousands of instruments and machines in the real world operate on Trimble. So in an AI context, with this unique corpus of data that we have access to at Trimble, we think we're going to be able to create differential outcomes for our customers.
How are you navigating what I will call rapidly evolving trade policy?
Yeah, so there's opportunity and uncertainty. You know, uncertainty certainly in the form of understanding, okay, where is the policy going to land? You know, this morning, right, we learned about some of the policies changing in a good way. So that's a good thing for us. But hey, there is some uncertainty, and so that can cause some pause in some of the buying cycles from customers. At the same time, there's a great deal of opportunity. So we look in markets such as Germany that are talking about a €500 billion euro spend on infrastructure, which is new for a market like that to be talking about. We look here in the U.S. Data centers continue to be very strong in market for us. If we're going to have reshoring and manufacturing in the United States, that's a positive catalyst for us. We still have the infrastructure bill, the bipartisan infrastructure law, that's a positive for construction. And then I go back to the fundamentals of this market being large, global, underserved, and underpenetrating, and it's fundamentally digitizing in a manner that creates a lot of opportunities for our business and for our customers.
So for my full interview with Trimble's Rob Painter, sign up for Manifest Space, the podcast. You can scan that QR code on your screen, or you can download wherever you get your podcasts.